boys and girls. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about author's purpose. And there's something that teachers use to help you remember author's purpose, and they call it pie, like apple pie or maybe some chocolate pie. Well, it's not about the pie. It's really about what the author, why they wrote the text. So there's many different reasons why authors write texts. They could write a text to persuade you. When an author's trying to persuade you, they're trying to convince you to believe something that they believe in. So they back that up with facts, and they want you to kind of agree with their point of view. So when you read a persuasion story, that's a nonfiction type of a text, and that's something that would get you to believe what that author agrees with as well. Another type of text that we see, the author writes a text, is for the purpose to inform. So when you have information, you're getting real, true facts about a topic. And lastly, authors write for the purpose of entertaining. So they want to get some kind of an emotion out of you, whether you laugh or you cry. When you think about like fiction text, you're really thinking about entertaining. So persuading and informing texts, those are usually our nonfiction texts, or you might hear me refer to it as informational text. Entertainment text would be our fiction texts, like the ones we worked on with Goldilocks and the Three Bears and Little Red Riding Hood. So if we take these two books, for example, they both have frogs on the cover. So how do I know what this author's purpose is? Why did this author write this book? Is this author trying to persuade me? Does this look like nonfiction? Is this author informing me about a frog? Or is this author entertaining me, giving me a fictional story about a frog? And in this case, hopefully you can tell by the illustrations, but when I dig a little deeper, I see characters talking, I see all those things that scream out, this is a fiction text. So the purpose of this text was to be written to entertain you, to make you laugh, to make you cry, maybe even to learn a lesson. This text, Amphibians and How They Grow, this author wrote this text for a different purpose. This text does not look like fiction. This text has pictures, diagrams, captions. It has all kinds of things that tell me this is definitely informational text or nonfiction. So the author wrote this story either to persuade or inform me about amphibians and how they grow. So next time you pick up a book, you're going to be thinking about the author's purpose. Is the author trying to persuade you to believe something they believe in? Is the author giving you information, or is the author entertaining you? Well, while you think about that, I'll finish up my pie.